Hello, my name is Amir Khalil from Dicker Data. Joining me is Richard Johns, Distribution Account Manager from Dell Technologies. Richard, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Tell me about Dell Technologies.
Yeah, well, Dell Technologies is one of the last vendors to completely offer the full ecosystem of products, from notebooks, desktops, servers, networking, storage, to data protection solutions. We are almost the one-stop shop for all your IT needs.
How does Dell Technologies help MSPs differentiate their offerings?
So where Dell Technologies come into play in that one is to provide different type of options for those MSPs. The architecture of the products is designed as a pay-as-you-grow type of concept, so the upfront cost can be removed and do a pay-as-you-grow. Financing options also available to provide those MSPs an easy route to market.
In addition to the pay-as-you-grow model, what other support does Dell Technologies offer to MSPs?
Yeah, so a great range of services and implementation skills that we can provide to the MSPs for delivering their solutions. Great technologies to be able to support their on-prem requirements, plus public cloud requirements, plus hybrid cloud environments. We call this our multi-cloud strategy that we take forward for the MSPs.
Richard, describe the partnership you have with us at Dicker Data. Yep. Why should a MSP choose to work with Dicker Data?
Well, Dicker Data have been well skilled up on all of the Dell Technologies products, from pre-sales through to implementation skills. So they really become a great point of support for the MSP in Dicker Data. We've valued that relationship over the years.
Richard, how does Dell Technologies help MSPs unlock additional lines of business within their customer base?
Yeah, great question, Amir. Apart from the subscription services that I offered, that I mentioned to you earlier, and the architecture of all the products designed as a very pay-as-you-grow concept, other portfolios within the product that would unlock another line of business for an MSP is our data protection solutions, for example. Being able to back up off-prem, on-prem, to the cloud, from the cloud, just gives another line of business an MSP can take to their customers for the right outcome.
How would an MSP get started with Dell Technologies?
Yeah, it's a very easy process through our Dell Technologies partner program. They would reach out to the Dicker Data team, which would onboard them as a reseller through Dell Technologies. The great thing about an MSP side of things is we actually specifically cater for managed service providers under that partner program for rebates, incentives, training, etc. And also opening up the entire portfolio of Dell Technologies.
You mentioned the pay-as-you-grow model a few times. Can you just expand on that?
So the pay-as-you-grow model is the concept of having all the infrastructure on site at the time of deployment for the customer. So as needs rise, application needs change, we can turn that infrastructure on as a subscription type service to support the customer's new outcomes.
Richard, is there anything else you'd like to add?
What I wanted to do is to help the MSPs understand that Dell Technologies has the broadest choice of all cloud infrastructure players. We're supporting the hyperscalers in AWS and Azure for each one of our products. Whether we're doing data protection to or from the cloud, we offer that completeness of solution. That gives the MSP and the customer the choice of having hybrid cloud, public cloud, or as we call it, a multi-cloud strategy.
Richard, thank you very much for your time and giving us a little bit of insight into how Dell Technologies supports the MSP customer.
Pleasure. Anything we can do to help.
Thank you. If you have any further questions or require any more information, please reach out to your Dicker Data representative.